4 weeks from harvest, machines to repair, so much to do, and this is where we're spending our time.
We just finished putting an axle in a semi. It's Friday.
It's Friday. What is that, a day off?
Diet Coke? We don't drink no Diet Coke. We launch it.
Oh!
Oh! That's a pretty good one there. That was a good one. For as heavy as that thing is.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
Well, I'm gonna put a 3/4 inch rod down through there, tighten it down, and then I can maybe use it.
We tried it with Travis on it, but it shot in circles. He was too short. Here we go.
Give this one a good one. Yeah!
We ready?
Yeah!
Ah! Ah! We made it on top. Oh! Yes!
Travis, what are you putting on here?
This is, I don't know the whole name, but it's a reel, or no, it's a blower, whatever you want to call it. Air blower.
Air reel.
Air reel.
Air reel.
Punch?
One of these.
First one in Lawrence County.
That about buddy.
You don't think so?
Torque bolt.
Torque bolt.
How confident you feeling in your project here, boys?
How confident?
Yeah, that you got it hooked up right, not gonna leak.
I'm pretty confident.
What is it?
99.
This
What is this
is an
thing?
automatic car dryer.
Oh, Mac car dryer. Yeah. This is a bean dryer.
Keeps the head blowed off, so that way we don't have to do it with us.
You know how many times people stop at the field when they're going to dry their car?
How many? Sitting on zero still.
So we're going to offer that. We're going to offer that now.
We have a new service. Trying her out, seeing what works. Looks a little bent.
Go all the way out like it's supposed to? Yeah.
Like it.
That's not going to do it.
Ooh.
Now get the air out of it.
Oh, that works fine. Look at that.
We're even gut.
Oh, don't that look nice? A funky looking thing, I know that.
Boy, if he went any lower, he would have hit this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, we got to get some adjustments, right? We had to have the combine on. Got to get some wires ran to the cab. So that's why it's hooked up in here. The door's not big enough, so we had to come in from the side. Another day, more projects. Would you like to narrate what you got going on over here?
I just lifted it up while you were cutting all the U-bolts out.
We missed all the banging. That was scary.
Well, we should have had the camera on sooner.
Pop!
Pop! Bam, bam!
It's allegedly bent, so we're getting a new axle. Got the old one out. How many bearings are bad?
One, but the shaft's bad.
Ooh.
Shaft.
So we gotta take the whole auger out.
Came first, the chicken or the egg? Bearing or the
No,
shaft?
the chicken came first. God didn't create eggs.
Ooh, nailed it.
Nailed it. You want to see the last part?
Yeah. Need a narrator.
Well, this is what's called the new welded bearings.
I'm guessing
See?
that's not notched for a reason.
No, see these balls here? How it welds those in there? Yep.
AKA
Yeah.
junk.
It's junk alright.
See a shaft right there?
Shaft right there took a beat.
Took a big time.
Took a bad beat.
We got tobacco back today.
Only you
go ahead.
can prevent forest fires.
It's true. Thank you, Smokey.
Right there.
Next morning progress report. It is apart.
And it takes 3 guys to get a nut out of a socket.
This has been the hardest part of the whole deal, believe it or not.
We're hitting something.
The board?
Other side.
I just run the BFH.
That's like a medium.
That's
FH.
true. Maybe I need a bigger. Maybe I need a bigger BFH.
An XL BFH?
Around here somewhere. Oh, right behind Travis.
Is that what we did? Yeah, I think it is. We got Corey on the job now.
Corey's on the job because this job is waiting for parts. A little cross auger on the bottom. Is now out where the bearing was.
Alright.
All right, guys. If you mess up and break Travis's hand, it'll be awesome. Go ahead. You want to hit the bigger side and me flip it around?
I'd love to, Travis.
I've been working on the railroad.
Whoa!
Take me.
That was
Somebody else hold this damn thing.
that was almost disastrous.
That was a close one.
Hey, wait.
I was going to turn this off, but I think I'm going to leave it on now.
Let's turn this so that you're hitting down on the board.
I agree.
What do you mean?
That was scary. All right.
Now, I'm well out of the way,
Hey.
I think.
You don't have to give it all your might.
I mean, what if that's what it takes? All right.
Nice job.
Post-game interview, how you feel that went?
Well, I was pretty
He
nervous.
went decent. He lost
I'm
a leg,
still
but-
shaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of you about moved.
They'll go away after 20 years, don't worry. Then they'll come back after 30.
Alright. Oh, shit. Travis,
Yeah.
just stand there.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not real sure where to.
You want
I
to flip
don't
this
know
over
what
next
to
to that one?
do
Kind of do.
with
Yeah.
my hand.
All right, we'll see. The tire company or the tire shop told us it was bent. Now we're going to find out.
Leave it upright. Flip this might be better. Ready?
We get new bearings and everything.
Should have.
Anybody see anything?
Yeah.
Look at this light.
Come here, look at this.
Twist.
The twist.
Oh, that's not a bend. That's a twist.
See how that one's almost flat and that one's angled down on that side?
Somebody please Write in Divers Farms, 8921 Ivers Lane, St. Francisville, Illinois. Lodge a complaint and ask for more funding for the media department. This is our camera stand. Oh yeah, that looks good. Wait.
What?
I had to see the finished product, man.
This is where I come to sleep.
Oh, yeah. You beat me here. I'm usually sleeping down there.
You wanna try these?
They're getting the damn socket off.
That'll be better. Ooh, I got your leg.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes,
we've
sir.
heard reports of a child being hit in the eye out here.
Yes, we was clipping off one of these wires and I got told on, huh? About this high, hit him here in the eye, but we think he's okay.
We got going on out here. We got going on out here.
Hooking all these tanks up together in series so we can have a truck out there, filling them, one spot. Right here is going to be the electric pump. There's our tender truck. Instead of hook up one tank, then the other tank, just flip valves.
Yep. Kind of like our Indiana setup, but different.
Yep. And here come the wires. We got the bad spot cut out.
We're here live, but won't be live with Dennis Ivers, also known as Boss Man. Post-game interview. How you feel like it went out there today?
I think it went good. We're done. It was a team effort. Of course, you gotta have one brain and a lot of team members. That's what we
Following
had.
the one brain.
Yep, we got her done. It's all hooked up. We're ready for the trucks. We now got 46,000 gallon of 28 and 32% storage here, 6,500 of ATS, maybe another tank for humic acid to come. But I think it looks pretty good. All we gotta do is put the bolts in the concrete, hold the pump in the tank, then we'll put them up for the winter time.
Much better. Much improved. Moving the excavator back to Illinois. Taking it across the bridge. A little bit tight. A little bit tight, but it works.
Tell them, Hank.
Sing for it.
Yeah.
Do the Hank song.
They all want to know, Hank, why do you drag? No,
He's
really? Why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out the songs that you wrote?
No. There goes there goes our viewers.
You guys get way more into this when the camera's not on.
And this is sober.
Allegedly. We don't know what they do at lunch.
No, we don't know what to do.